Hi, I'm Lizzie Edwards. In this, the first in a series of 3 fashion podcasts, I'll be showing you a few tips to help you discover how you can best find the colours that suit you, why they work, and how to wear them to support and project who you are. We all have colour inherent in our physical makeup and in our personality. If we reflect these in our clothing and choose other colours of the same temperature and value, we can begin to build a selection that becomes a beautiful, flattering and unique personal colour palette. Colour is perhaps the strongest communicator of all in clothing. It has inherent messages and gives certain signals. It affects us physically, mentally and emotionally. It is a very individual thing. And we are all totally different, and because of that it is a fantastic way for you to express your true nature and be attuned to your natural beauty. Colour can have a profound effect on both the way we appear to the outside world. For example, a colour can make you look ill, appear confident or approachable, and on how we feel, giving us energy or tiring us out. As well as considering the cut, fit and style of a garment, it really is worth taking the time to consider the look and feel of the colour on you. This is something that people seldom really look at and study closely. The colours available to us in the shops are dictated by catwalk trends and are chosen seasons ahead by textile and fashion designers. Each season there is always a new black, the colour that has filtered through from the catwalks onto the high street. When shopping and selecting clothes, it is really important not to blindly follow a trend for a particular colour without considering if it suits you. Nor is it useful to think, I can't wear green, for example. This season, purple is everywhere. Now, purple is one of those colours that many people say doesn't suit them. However, and this goes against many people's views of themselves, I believe that anyone can wear any colour. But it has to be the right shade, the right temperature and value for your individual and unique colouring. Here then is a very brief outline for some of the basic colour theory and some tips to help you begin to understand how you can find the colours that work for you. Colours are either experienced as warm or cool. This is one of the most basic ways to begin to narrow down from the millions of colours available what suits you. As I mentioned, if you choose colours that are in harmony with your own personal colouring, you'll be in tune with your own natural self. A simple and easy way to find out what temperature you are is to use metallics, for example, gold and silver, or by using reds, an orange red and a blue red. Hold each one up in turn against your face in front of a mirror in natural light. One will usually look a lot better against your skin than the other. If you really look the same in both, you are one of the lucky people who can wear warm and cool, but you normally have a preference. Trust your intuition. There is no right and wrong. You will instinctively know what looks and feels right for you. If you look better in gold or tomato red, then you're usually supported by wearing warm colours. This is especially important for clothing on the top half of the body, near your face. However, it does not mean that you can only wear reds, oranges and yellows, but to best support your own personal colouring, you are better wearing warmer colours, or relatively warmer colours. For example, and using red again to illustrate, some reds are either cooler if they are close to the violets on the colour wheel, or warmer if nearer to the oranges, which are warm. Therefore, the best red for a cool person is a blue red. Another example would be a warm person wishing to wear a blue. They would be best supported in a green blue due to its relative warmth. Now you know your temperature, you can then begin to work out what is your own innate colour palette from studying your own colouring, your skin, your eyes and your hair. Take a hand mirror and stand in good light by a window. Study yourself carefully. If you look closely, you will see that your brown hair is actually a mixture of many different shades of brown, golds and reds. There will be different values and tones, and again it will either be warm brown or cool brown. All the tones and shades found are perfect for you, and wearing them will make you look together and in harmony with yourself. Do the same with your skin tone. Look in different places on your body and not just your face. There will be different shades on the arm and on the neck, and on your wrist, for example. And finally, do the same with your eyes, really looking at the colours in your iris. Once you've observed your colours closely, begin to notice the value, the lightness or darkness of the colours found. This then, along with your temperature, can be used as a basis for finding the best colours for you. Repeat your own colouring in your clothes. By choosing colours with the same temperature and value as your hair, skin and eyes, you're beginning to build a palette that will always be in harmony with you and help you look put together. These will often work as your neutrals, camels, browns, greys or taupe, etc., and are low intensity colours. They're quiet and calm and easy to be with. Eye colour is great for communication as it really draws us in and keeps our attention. Which brings me on to the psychological temperature of colour. Whether it's an unconscious or conscious decision, we wear the colours we do to give off a specific psychological effect. Wearing colours to match your personality, mood and nature portrays who you are and how you feel. Therefore, it's really important to consider these when dressing and to replicate them in the colours you choose to wear. Warm colours, reds, oranges and yellows, are typically seen as aggressive, loud and visible, whereas greens, blues and violets, the cool colours, are calm, quiet and distant. Here are some examples that you would have experienced. Black is seen as authoritative, sophisticated and mysterious. Camel, elegant and approachable. Rust, friendly and earthy. Green, friendly, kind, peaceful and helpful. Now you've discovered what temperature you appear to be, compare that with the temperature of your personality. You may find that they are very different, but you can still dress in colours that support both. For example, if you have confidence and would like to wear a red dress, but have a cool temperature, select one of the blue reds. A pale-skinned blonde can carry off a deep red, but she would need the personality and intensity to support it, as it would overpower a quieter personality. It is also really important that the colour does not dominate you so much that people see and experience the colour and not you. Those with less confidence can still wear red, but perhaps start experimenting by wearing it in earrings or a scarf. Although they are not strictly colours, white and black do appear in most people's wardrobes. White is great if you want to highlight an area or distract from another area. And some people don't suit black, but most people still wear it out of practicality. If this is you, incorporate an accent of another colour up near your face using an accessory like a scarf or necklace. Try different amounts of new colours and see how you feel. There is no right and wrong, as I said before. It's really what feels right for you. Use your intuition and have confidence in yourself making changes to the colours you choose and wear in your own time. Use this as an opportunity to have fun and experiment. Notice how you feel and how others act towards you when you wear different colours. Try new things in the wardrobe. You can make little subtle changes at first until you feel more confident to buy something more obvious like a new top or a new dress. Why not have a morning when you go window shopping solely with the intention of trying some new colours and see how you feel in them? You could even take photos in the changing room so that you can see them all together and compare. Be aware though of the lighting in stores, however, as it's artificial light and it's very different to natural light, so it will not be a completely accurate portrait of how you will look, but it will give you an idea to start with. The most important thing is to trust your own judgment. You do know. Enjoy experimenting and playing, trusting your intuition with the colours you feel are working for you, and have fun. Colour is to be enjoyed and to express yourself. Again, this was just a very brief guide and I hope it has taken away some of the mystery surrounding colour and has inspired you to look closely at your own colouring and get excited about all the possibilities that are available. They are endless. In the next podcast, I'll be showing you a few tips to help you find the fabrics and styles that are best for your shape.